Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to get MySQL integrated into your project. The first thing we're going to want to do is get the db.java class added to our project. The easiest way to do that, rather than importing it or anything, I've always found, is to just copy and paste the file directly into the folder using Windows Explorer. Unfortunately, I accidentally deleted db.java, so just pretend that what I've done is found db.java, I've right-clicked on copy, then I've gone into Disco, deadly disco onto doom, source, surname, deadly disco, and I've right-clicked and I've pasted db.java. At that point, if we was to refresh the project, and I had actually put db.java there, I would now have the db.java file in my project. At this point, it would come up with some errors. I'll just demonstrate quickly. Let's say, for example, that I wanted a result set here. Let's just call it RS. This will probably complain it doesn't know what a result set is, and there's no option to import the MySQL thing, so on, because we haven't added the library. To add the library, what you want to do is right-click on the project, go to Properties, take a look at Libraries. Then you can either do a similar thing that I did earlier with Windows Explorer, where you can copy the MySQL connector and you can paste it into Deadly Dance of Doom, this time under libs. If you do that, you're going to click on Add Jars, and it should see it from us here. I might need to refresh or something. But in any case, we're not going to do that. The way I'm going to do it was a bit pointless that. Anyway, the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to add it as an external jar. So Properties, Add External Jars, navigate to the folder. In this case, I put it in Programming, MySQL Connector, click OK. And you should see it shows up in Referenced Libraries. At this point, if I start talking about a result set, still going to get a red squiggly line because I haven't imported result set. However, at this stage, you can see it now knows about com.mysql.jdbc and all the rest of it. Okay, so you could import that as necessary and do everything the same as you have been in your other projects. That explains how to integrate Java with your project, MySQL with your project. If you're trying to get to the stage where you can run SQL queries on your computer, first thing you need to do is you need to ensure that you're running MySQL in the background. The school computers are. And then you need to update your copy of Eclipse. Eclipse is actually very nice with its plugins, and it's not too difficult to find them. All I'm going to do here, for example, is type Eclipse MySQL Java. In fact, I probably don't even need that. Let's just go with Eclipse MySQL plugin. And it tells me, the second link here is Eclipse SQL Explorer. That sounds quite promising. So I'll click on here, and there, Eclipse update site. You can install and update Eclipse SQL Explorer via the Eclipse update mechanism. The updating site is as follows. I'm just going to copy this link here. Then I'm going to go into Eclipse, under Help, Install New Software. I need to select a site. I've already added this one, but let's pretend I haven't. So I'll click on Add. I'll give it a name, SQL Explorer, and I will paste that address. So anyway, select the site now, and it'll take a couple of seconds to refresh this. I want to install SQL Explorer, and then I click Next. At this point, it's going to download and download it and install it. I'll probably need to restart, but I will be able to add MySQL Explorer. Sorry, I'll have Eclipse Explorer, and I'll be able to I'll be able to view SQL queries and so on. There we go. I want none of those apparently. Not applicable to the current. I wonder if that's There we go. So yeah, obviously having both of them selected was a bit of an issue, so just select the top one, click on that one, accept the terms, finish, and it will, yeah, I don't care. You should probably always read those things, quite important. Do I want to restart ADT? Yes, I do. And let's just wait for that to restart. Take a couple of seconds. I'm running it off my flash drive. So just pretend that I'm saying something interesting now, or in fact, even better, I don't know, let's skip a couple of seconds on the video, don't waste your time. There we go. Now, if you want to use the Eclipse Explorer, the easiest way to do that is to go Open Perspective, Other, and SQL Explorer. There we go. And okay, took a little bit of a while to get up there, but there we can do a connection. I've previously named it Thingy, which was quite useful, and you should be able to, there's a way to do code and stuff somewhere. If I click on that, new SQL editor, there we go. Connect and all the rest of it, and yeah, I was just testing on the school computers. It does work, and there you go.